ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯ 1ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲೇ ಅಮೋಘ ದಾಖಲೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಗಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಶಾಹೀನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಇನ್ಫೋ ಜರ್ನಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನೂರ್ ಫಾತಿಮಾ. ನಾನು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಶಾಹೀನ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ PCBH ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು 96% ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೈ ಆಂಬಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. And here they have completed the syllabus well in time, and they have conducted various exams and tests by which we can evaluate ourselves. And I have not even attended a single tuition class, but I have scored good. It is all because of my lecturers, so I thank them. And I also thank our respected chairman, Mr. Afzal Sharif sir, because he has provided all the opportunities. And I am preparing for NEET exam, and inshallah I will secure top rank. Thank you.
Myself Muskan. In my second PUC examination I have scored 94% and I am very happy with that. I thank all my lecturers, staff and management, and a special thank to chairman sir. I never tried to attend any tuition classes because the lecture which was provided by our lecturers was the best, and we got very good study material. And we had regular classes, online classes and NEET coaching classes. Because of these I have secured these many marks, and I thank my parents who supported me. Thank you.
ನಾನು ತಸ್ಮಿಯಾ. ನಾನು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಶಾಹೀನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯುನೀಕ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ PCBH ಅನ್ನು ಆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 94% ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೆಷರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದರೆ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್. ದೇ ನೆವರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಲೀವ್. ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ವೈಸನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಶಾಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀಟ್ಗೂ ನಾನು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Myself Sayada Shifanayas. I have studied in Global Shahin PU College and I scored 94% in PCBH combination. My ambition is to become a doctor. That's why I chose Global Shahin PU College. Here they provide excellent strategies to crack NEET exams. From the day first they have started conducting NEET weekly tests of 720 marks, and they provide regular online classes by experts that we can crack NEET exam very easily, and they provide excellent study material for cracking of exam, and by the guidance of lecturer we can crack NEET exam easily. That's why I chose Global Shahin PU College. Thank you.
Global Shahin College is the branch of Shahin Group of Institutions. We have a vision of creating well qualified, well cultured and valuable personalities to serve the nation. Here we have very good academic planning, we have very good teaching faculty, and we are going to finish the syllabus well in time, and we will be having doubt clarification classes for students, and every classroom will be having limited strength, and we have our own study materials, and we are spending 2 hours extra for the slow learners. We will be having a weekly test and monthly test to evaluate the performance of the students, and we will be having continuous follow-ups with the parents. And this institution is working with the 3 slogans, that is mobile free campus, automobile free campus and tuition free campus. Institution is very much positive with adopting the new techniques, and we keeps on updating with the new things. Alhamdulillah, we got a very good result in second PUC, and we are expecting very good ranks in the upcoming NEET examination. Thank you.
I am Afzal Sharif, Chairman of Global Group of Companies and Managing Director of Global Shahin College, Tumkur. Our college is one of the branch of Shahin Group of Institutions, Bidar, headed by Dr. Khadir Saab, and we have around 50 colleges all over India. We have started our college in Tumkur district in the year 2018, and this is our first result, and we have got excellent result with the effort of our teaching, non-teaching staff. I thank them very much for their hard work, otherwise it is not possible. And we really thank parents also. Along with the teachers, we must thank our parents. They supported us even for long classes, evening time, and I thank them very much. Especially, ours is the most secured college for girls in Tumkur. We will be having around the clock security. If anyone want to take their daughter home, they should get the gate pass signed by principal. Our campus is 100% covered by CCTV for safety and security of the student. The institute will be providing free education for the deserving students. Further, we will be having degree courses this year for their higher studies in the same campus. Also, we have planned for introducing small and long-term courses for girls in the same campus in near future. For more information, kindly visit our campus on BH Road, National Highway 206, Bhimsandra, Tumkuru.